Hello everyone, I am Fahim Ansari, Assistant Professor at ARP Institute of Pharmacy. Today we will discuss about the various type of ointments classifications, how they are classified and what are the criteria of classification of ointments. Firstly, the ointments are homogeneous, translucent, viscous, semi-solid preparation, most commonly as greasy, and may contain oil and may contain water or contain both, and they generally intended for the external application to the skin or mucous membrane. The drug ingredients which are in ointments may be dissolved, may be emulsified or suspended in the ointment base. Next, what are the classification criteria of the ointments? Firstly, on the basis of skin penetration and on the basis of therapeutical use. On the basis of skin penetration, they are classified how the ointments is penetrated up to the which layer of the skin, and on the basis of therapeutic use, the ointments are classified on the basis of what are the use of that ointments for disease or skin or which part of the skin. Firstly, on the basis of skin penetration, first is epidermis ointment, second is endodermic ointments, and third is diadermic ointments. Endoepidermis, as the name indicates, is the epidermis. These ointments are intended for the product produce their action on the surface of the skin and produce very locally, and they are not absorbed through the skin. They are generally only for protective, antiseptic or parasiticidal or protective types. Next is the endodermic. These ointments are intended to release the medicament that penetrate into the skin. The medicine penetrate up to only the dermis level very shortly, and they may be partially absorbed and acts as a emollient and act as a stimulant in the local irritant. Some of the part, maybe 5% or 10%, may goes to the systemic circulation or blood. Third is the diadermic ointments. These ointments are intended to release the medicaments that pass through the skin and produce systemic effect. They all of the or most part of the ointment or medicine is absorbed into the skin and goes to the systemic circulation in blood and released through the hepatic or first pass metabolism. They are for also for local effect as well as systemic effect. But on the basis of therapeutical use, these are various type of classification. What are the ingredients used in the formulation? Example, if we use an antibiotics in the preparation, then it is called antibiotic ointments, and also used for the antibiotic purpose on the skin. Next is the antifungal ointments. Example is one of benzoic acid. These are for the fungi, only for fungi. Next is anti-inflammatory ointments. Anti-inflammatory ointments generally contain they are for anti-inflammatory and also for anti-rheumatic purpose or for pain relief. Example is fluoroquinolone actonide ointment. Next is antipyretic ointments. Example is benzocaine. It is for the various type of skin secretion occur to stop the secretion of the skin. Next is the counter irritant ointments. Example, methyl salicylates. They produce a cooling effect on the skin and produce a counter irritating effect. Next is the anti-dandruff ointments. If the very hairy layer structure on the skin or for the hairy, if the dandruffs are present, these are used. Thank you.